In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a sent or scheduled marketing email in HubSpot. If you've just spotted a mistake in a campaign or need to stop a message from going out, this walkthrough will help you cancel it before it sends. A quick note up front. Once an email has been fully delivered to inboxes, it can't be recalled. What you can do is cancel emails that are scheduled but not yet sent. With that in mind, let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for HubSpot. Click through to the official site and log into your HubSpot account using the credentials for the portal where your marketing emails live. Make sure you're in the correct account and have the permissions to manage marketing emails. After you've signed in, look to the left sidebar and hover to reveal the main navigation. Find the marketing section and open it. From there, select Email. This takes you to the email dashboard where you can see drafts, sent messages, and anything scheduled to go out. In the list, locate the email you want to cancel. A helpful tip here is to filter the view to show only scheduled emails so you don't accidentally open the wrong one. Double-check that the status for this email says scheduled and that the send time matches what you plan to stop. When you've confirmed it's the right message, click the email's name to open its details. In the Email Details view, look for the Actions menu, typically near the top right of the screen. Click Actions to reveal more options. Choose Cancel Scheduled Email. HubSpot will prompt you to confirm, just to make sure you don't stop a send by mistake. Click Cancel Scheduled Email again to confirm. Once you confirm, HubSpot immediately halts delivery. The email status updates to reflect that it's no longer scheduled, and no remaining recipients will receive it. If you canceled because of a typo or targeting issue, you can edit the content or audience and then reschedule when you're ready. It's a good idea to send yourself a quick test and review the subject line, internal name, recipient list, and time zone before requeuing the send. If you're watching this because an email already went out, remember that delivered emails can't be undone. In that case, consider preparing a correction or update in a separate message, and review any automations that might continue to send related emails. That's it. You've successfully navigated to marketing, opened email, selected your scheduled message, used the Actions menu to cancel it, and confirmed the cancellation.